when we record all the purchases in our purchase book, there are certain columns that we need to know. The first is date, in which date of transaction is recorded. In particular, you have to record name of supplier. Name of supplier. And below the name of supplier, you will write the name of product also that you have purchased. Name of product. So this is our particular column. After that, there is voucher number. So when we purchase goods from someone, they will issue us a bill, invoice, okay? And there will be a number mentioned on that invoice. So we will write that invoice number or voucher number in this voucher number column. After that, LF. Okay, LF is ledger folio, means when we will prepare ledger, the page number of ledger prepared from this book, the purchase book, will be written in this column. Okay, after that, details means if there is any addition or deletion that we have, addition or deduction that we have to do in amount, then we will do it in details column. After that, the final amount will be written in amount column. Is that clear?
Can you
Yes,
repeat again, sir? Can you repeat it again, sir?
All the format?
No, sir. The last amount format.
Okay, so in details, actually, you have to write all the amounts, and any addition and deduction that is required to be done will be done in details column. After that, what we will get is final amount, and that final amount will be written in amount column.
Okay.
Okay. So the next thing is quotient. That how we will solve the quotient. Let me send you the quotient.
Uh,
1 minute, but I'm sharing. Okay. Okay. Now, can you see the quotient?
yes, sir.
Okay. So the first question is, Verma Brothers carry on business as wholesale cloth dealer. From the following writer, their purchase book for for January 2020. Purchase from Messrs. Birla Mills, Kolkata, 100-piece long cloth at the rate 800 each, 50-piece shirting at 500 each. On January 8, purchase for cash from Messrs. Ambika Mills, 50 pieces muslin at the rate 1000 each. January 15, purchase from Messrs. Arvind Mills, Ahmedabad, 20 pieces coating at the rate 2000 each, 10 pieces shirting at the rate 500 each. And the last one, January 20, purchase from Messrs. Bharat Computers Limited, Kolkata, 5 printers at the rate 4400 each. Okay, so we have to prepare the purchase book and also show the posting from purchase book to ledger account also. Okay, so we have to do two things. First, we have to prepare a purchase book, and then we have to post these purchases to the ledger. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, we will prepare the format of purchase book. Actually, this is a small subsidiary book. There is no more theoretical part. Okay, very less theoretical part is given. So first is date, then particular. After that, okay, so first of all, we have to write the name of the company. And then you have to write purchase book. So first is date, then particular, invoice number, LF, details, and okay, so the transaction is related with 2020. So you will write year first and then the date, January 3rd. We have purchased from Messrs. Birla Mills, Kolkata. So we will write the name of the supplier and then the item name, that is long cloth, 100-piece long cloth. At the rate 800 each. And after that, 50 pieces of shirting at the rate 500 each. Okay, so 800 into 100, it will be 80,000. And then 500 into 50, it is 25,000. So total is 1,05,000. 1,05,000. After that, January 8, Messrs. Ambika Mills, Ahmedabad. So again, we will write the name of supplier first. After that, the item name, that is 50 pieces muslin. At the rate 1000 each. So it is 50,000. There is no addition or subtraction here. So we will write the amount in final amount column. So same amount. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, there is January 15th transaction purchase from Mrs. Arvind Mills, Ahmedabad. And one thing, actually, January 8th transaction, we will not write here. This will not come. We have to remove this. We will directly write the January 15th transaction, because on January 8th, if you can see, it is purchased for cash. Okay. And no cash purchase is entered in the purchase book. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So that's why January 8th transaction will not be recorded in purchase book. It will go to cash. So January 15th purchase from Mrs. Arvind Mills, Ahmedabad. And it is 20 pieces coating at the rate 2000 each and 10 pieces shirting 500 each. 20 pieces coating at the rate 1000 each and 10 pieces shirting at the rate 500 each. So 1000 into 20, it will be 20,000, and 500 into 10, it will be 5,000. So total 25,000. Is there any doubt? No doubt.
So,
Now, yes, you were saying something?
no, sir. I don't have any doubts for now.
Okay. So, Messrs. Bharat Computers Limited, Kolkata. So, in this, there is only one item, and that is 5 printers at rate 4,400 each. So, will we write here? We should write it here or not?
We should write it here, sir.
Why?
Because we are purchasing it.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
It can be a cash transaction.
Purchased computer. Oh, printers.
Yes, it is printers. We are doing the business of cloth. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Means
So it won't be
shirt
record.
piece. Yes, this is a purchase of assets. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that's why it will not be recorded, because it is not purchase of goods. We will record only those transactions in which purchase of goods is given. So purchase of asset will not be recorded.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it will not be recorded. Okay, so now we have to total it. Done. Actually, it is 2000. This is 2000. And this will be 40,000. Okay, so 40,000 and this will be 45,000. So total will be 1,05,000 and 45,000. 1,50,000. This is our total. Now, in this purchase book, there is one more thing that we can include. Sometime portion is related with GST. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And in some of the portion, there will be discount also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in that situation, actually, if discount is given, it is 1,05,000. Let's say there is 10% discount. Discount or discount at the rate 10%. So it is 10,500. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now 94,500. The balance. After that, maybe in some of the portion, it will be given like CGST and HGST will be given at the rate 6%. So total 12%. That's why CGST and SGST at the rate 6%. So you will write 6% calculate 5,670. 5,670. Let me check. Yes, it is 5,670. So total will be 1,05,000. 1,05,840. Okay. So this is our 1,05,000. Actually, when we will write like this, so in this situation, we have to prepare different columns. Different columns, like we have prepared this. Now, This will change and we have to prepare more column. Okay. So this column will be cost. This column will be CGST. This column will be SGST, and this column will be total. So this is also called detailed cash book. So first of all, you will write here 94,500. This is your cost. Okay. And again, the CGST in CGST column, SGST in SGST column, and total will be written here 1,05,840. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear that how we have prepared? Actually, you can also prepare up to this details and amount, not cost. But sometime portion will give you more detail like CGST, SGST. In that case, you have to prepare a detailed column, detailed format for purchase book, and you will write cost, SGST, and CGST separate. Because if we need to calculate the total of CGST, SGST, and cost, then we cannot do it from here. So that's why we have written separately in different column, and in all the transaction, we will write the amount. Okay. And after writing all the credit purchase, we will total the cost, CGST and SGST, and we will know that how much CGST and SGST is our input. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is okay. So now that we have prepared this, okay. See question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Can you solve this question?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you want to copy the previous question that I have
Yes, sir. Yes,
solved?
sir.
Okay, but I have changed it a little bit. Yes.
It's
Let
okay,
me
sir.
see if I can change this. No, that's it. Now I can. Okay. I have just written it for example purpose. So please copy this. Yes. Done. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, please see the next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in this question, freight discount at the rate 10% is given, and also plus freight charges is given in the question. So what we have to do here is to deduct the 10% discount, the trade discount, sorry, not 10% discount. It can be different in different transaction. So we will deduct the trade discount from the total amount of transaction, and then we will add the freight charges in the transaction. Okay.
Okay, sir. So first we have to detect, then we will add.
Yes, and also we have to prepare separate column for cost and freight charges. Okay, as I have done in the previous question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I have prepared the separate column for cost, CGST, and SGST. You have to do cost and freight and then total. After detail, you have to prepare 3 columns: cost, freight, and total. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So please solve this question.
So should I send it or should I say it?
Completed.
I'm in the last questions.
Okay, you don't have to send me. You just tell me the figures that you have written in all the transaction.
Okay, sir. Can I say the first three? The
Yes.
last one I will not say.
Okay, tell me.
Will you give me some more time so I can finish the last one?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Can I now say, sir?
Yes.
Okay. First April 1st, Videocom India.
Okay.
30 colored TVs at rupees 15,000 each.
Very good.
In the details column, 4,50,000. 4,50,000, sir. Then trade discount less 10%, which is 45,000. Minusing it 4,05,000.
Okay.
Then add fridges charges. Fridge charges 20,000, which fridge charges 20,000.
Fret. Fret. It is called fret.
Oh, okay, sir. Front charges plus front charges 20,000.
2,000 it is.
Okay, sir. Okay. Oh. 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir. 4,07,000.
Okay, in cost column, there will be 4,05,000. In freight column, there will be 2,000, and in total column, it is 4,07,000.
Yes, sir.
Have you done this?
I only wrote the total column, sir. I did not write the result column and cost
You can
columns.
see.
Yes, sir.
You have to prepare like this. So Videocon India Limited, 4,50,000, 45,000, 4,05,000, 2,000, 4,07,000. And then you have to classify in the different column. Okay. Again, with Sony India Limited, it is 2 lakh minus 20,000 of trade discount, 1,80,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And in Music India Limited, it is 10 music system at the rate 10,000 each, 1 lakh, and then minus trade discount at the rate 15%, it is 15,000. So the balance is 85,000.
Okay, sir.
After that, there is April 30, Videocon India Limited, Kolkata, 5 washing machine at the rate 15,000 each. It is total 75,000. Then minus trade discount at the rate 20%, 15,000. So the balance is 60,000. Now, after 60,000, there is a freight of 1,000 given in the quotient. So it is 61,000, and we have classified it in different columns. So 60,000, 1,000, and total is 61,000. After that, we will total all the columns, all 3 columns, cost, freight, and total, and we will get this 7,30,000, 3,000, and 7,33,000. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. I did not get the same total.
Actually, if you write these items in separate column, then you will able to get the total that is written here, 7,30,000, 3,000, and 7,33,000.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise, you will not be able to total this.
Okay, sir.
You want to take a screenshot?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Okay. Then this.